Miss V.
Shari, what the hell are you doing? Pinadala ka sa Korea to launch Velma Beauty, not to launch your own cheap product.
It's not cheap, Miss V. And I think it's about time for me to do my own thing. And sa'yo pa rin naman yung credit sa launch ko.
That's not the point. It's a mess dahil wala to sa plano.
It's not gonna be a mess, Miss V. In fact, it's gonna be an undeniable success. It's something na matagal nang wala sa Velma Beauty. Makakatulong to sa kumpanya, Miss V.
Alam mo ba what's undeniable? Bastos ka, Shari. This is not the time para i-bypass mo ko. You can't just launch your own cheap product. Cloud chaser.
Baka excited lang, Miss V.
Nakita mo ba yung research about her? It's not that good.
Speaking of, tumawag po pala si Madam Chair Clara. She wants to talk to you about the research.
Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit dito mag-uopisina ang mama ni Eddie.
Ang narinig ko kasi, Miss V, dahil daw nagbigay siya ng 500 million...
I could have gotten that from other investors. Ngayon may 500 million na pangmamata sa akin, yung kapalit. 500 million na pang-alipusta. 500 million na sumbat. Ano pa? 500 million na what? Just tell me, 500 million. I'm so sick and tired of it. Puro na lang 500 million.
As they say, beggars can't be choosers.
Good morning, Madam. Miss V.
Yeah.
Morning.
Ang aga pa para makita ka, ma. Wouldn't you be more comfortable at home kaysa makita mo yung kagandahan ko this morning?
I'll do what I want with my money. Perang tinanggap mo.
Pera na tinanggap ni Eddie, ma.
Where's my son? Nasaan ang asawa mo?
I don't know, probably in a golf course somewhere.
Probably. Hindi mo alam kung nasaan ang asawa mo? Maybe you should put a tab on him every day.
I'm his wife, not his yaya.
Ang galing mo naman sumagot ng ganyan. After I've given you the 500 million pesos na hiningi sa akin ng aking anak, ng asawa mo, dahil ikinahihiya niya yung pyramid scheme that you're involved in. Look at you now. You're in all the malls.
You know, I'm working hard.
You're working hard. Or you're working hard social climbing. Dapat siguro, Eddie should have married an unggoy. Mas madali siyang i-train. Look at this. They say that Velma Beauty is not anymore premium. Because she's old.
Velma Beauty is old? Or
Shari is the bigger problem. Hindi siya nakaka-appeal sa masa. She is only counting on her fan base. How long will that last?
Shari brings in sales from classes B and C. In short, yung mga may pambili. Have you seen her serum? It's gone viral. Pretty soon, Shari's gonna go global.
Global? Locally nga, bagsak ang mga sales. What does that mean? Ibig sabihin, palpak si Shari equals palpak ka. Excuse me. It was so nice to talk to you.